Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, 3 videos a day. So there's a good chance for you to catch up today, yesterday, and binge watch your favorite playlist today. Anyways, guys, let's do a review on Northrop Grumman Federal Credit Union. Now, somebody asked me to do a review on this credit union, so I did some research on it, and I have some good data points for you. But I'm going to try to keep this video between 8 to 10 minutes long, so stay with me the entire time. Now, if you have had this credit union or you currently bank with this credit union, please drop a comment in the comment section. If you guys like any of these products with the credit union, please drop a comment in the comment section as well. And if you have any questions about credit or you want me to do a credit review, also please drop that in the comment section. Real quick before we get started, we got a private Facebook group and an Instagram that you can join. Both links are in the description below. The private Facebook group is always going crazy every single day, so you don't want to miss it. It's completely free. And then my Instagram, you can send me a credit question to my direct message, and I'll answer it for you. And follow me, because we'll be doing a lot of giveaways and updates on the page there as well. So now that we got that out of the way, let me give a quick shout out to all the first-time viewers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your time and your trust. Promise not to waste your time. Give you all stuff and no fluff. So these are very conversational videos meant to get you access to high credit funding and help you with credit tips and tricks in your entrepreneurial journey. So leave a comment, hit like, hit subscribe, and let's do this. All right, guys. So in this video, we're going to talk about Northrop Grumman. I'm going to put my spectacles on because I'm getting a little bit old here. Basically, they've been in business for over 75 years, defense contractors for military, so they're very, very well known. The nice thing about this credit union is this is going to be completely open through association. So when you want to become a member, you can join an association right there, and then you can become a member. You don't have to be in military, you don't have to be Navy, you don't have to be Air Force. It's completely free to join through that way. Also, check systems, they will be checking that. So if you have a check system problem, check out my video on check systems, how to get out of it, what is it, so that way you can be better prepared. You also want to make sure that you're not applying for more than, I would say, 7 credit unions or 7 banks per 12 months. So every year, don't kind of exceed that. The max threshold, in my opinion, is 10, because what happens when you start applying for a lot, it can almost look like fraud, and then you start having a check system problem. Okay, just heads up on that. I want you guys to be proactive and know about that. Another nice thing about this credit union is it will not be hard pull for membership. So that is going to be beautiful, because there are many that are hard pull for membership, but not this one. And all of the credit products will be pulled from Experian. So they do their hard pulls from Experian. So just so you guys know that, I'm not a big fan of that, because everybody pretty much uses Experian. I'm used to a lot of the credit unions using Equifax, and then obviously more and more are starting to use TransUnion as well. So those are the data points that I have for you on that. Let's jump right into this thing. So they are going to have a $40,000 personal line of credit. I'm a big fan of that, okay? You guys already know why I love personal lines of credit. I have an entire video on what a personal line of credit is. Personal line of credit is really nice to be able to access a lump sum of money whenever you want it, to use it for real estate investing or an online business, pay off APR credit cards, things like that. So I am big on credit unions that give these type of personal lines of credit. It's easier to liquidate. There's no cash advance fees. You can send it to any bank account in the world. So it's super, super awesome. So I'm a big fan that they have a personal line of credit up to $40,000. Good job, Northrop. Now, there's going to be no annual fee to that. One-time application, which is great. Now, this is kind of a little bit concerning. I don't know if they're combining that you can only have $40,000 in credit limit between credit cards and the credit line. I don't know. That could be a maximum exposure kind of thing. But if you guys know, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you guys think of that. But that was something I didn't understand when I was doing the review. So personal line of credit, $40K. Let's go on to the next one. We are going to have a personal signature loan. They are also going to extend $40,000 with a payment of 5 years. And you can do whatever you want with the money. No origination fee, which I love as well. No prepayment penalty. So no fee to get the loan started. No fee to pay the loan off early. Many lenders will charge an origination fee and prepayment penalty fees and whatever type of other fees they can slide in there. So if you can always do a personal loan with a credit union, that's going to be your best bet. So what I like about this is once you start banking with Northrop, then you can start applying for different credit products that they have. I would recommend you start with the line of credit, because once this personal loan is paid off and you want it again, you got to apply for it again. Then you got to provide proof of income again, right? So it's nice to have that personal line of credit because it's revolving. You can pay it back and take it out, pay it back and take it out. Velocity banking, infinite banking, they leverage lines of credit. So if you know anything about that, if you guys want to learn more about infinite banking, velocity banking, put it in the comment section below. I'll knock out some videos for you guys. I might even get my insurance agent on this channel too, the one that set up my amazing policy. So $40K on a personal line of credit, $40K on a personal loan, no prepayment penalties, no origination fees. Let's jump into the next one because I did like this one. I wanted to share this with you. So the shared secured loan, what that is different than like a credit builder loan. This is where you're going to basically put a lump sum of money in a savings account. They're going to lock that money and create a loan product for you. So this is going to be able to have a term up to 60 months, which is amazing. And you could borrow 100% of your savings account balance. So that's amazing. So if you're looking to get an installment line, primary line on your credit report, that is going to be an amazing way for you to do so. Fast approval, because obviously we're dealing with your own money there, and it's going to be a great way, like I said, to get your credit rebuilt or to start your credit journey. So that's amazing. Another tip and trick would be I would pay 70 to 80 to 90% of that off right away. So the first month that it reports that 70 to 80, 90%'s been paid up, and then you can have that thing going for 5 years, building your credit. Okay, these are the tips and the tricks you get on the Radikal Marketer YouTube channel. Join the private Facebook group too. It's amazing. I'm telling you, I promise you. I was a big fan of this, the personal line of credit and the HELOC. What I like about HELOCs is you can tap into your equity without having to sell your home. When your home goes up in value, you can tap into that equity for real estate investing, for starting a business, for whatever the case is. Just, it's not a credit card that you can use to go get some new Jordans, okay? This is going to be literally something that you want to use for investment purposes only, because if you default on this HELOC, they're going to take your home from you, okay? You can obtain cash for any expense. Revolving line of credit up to $250,000, $250,000. And then a revolving line up to $250,000 based on the equity. Looks like there's going to be some application fees and closing costs. A 10-year draw period. Basically, after 10 years, you go up for review again. No yearly maintenance fee, no prepayment penalty. Repayment term up to 15 years, and a loan to value of 80%, which a lot of them do 90%, so they're doing 80, okay. And qualifying properties include owner-occupied in 1 to 4 units in select states. So you'd want to give them a call for that. I looked at their credit cards. I wasn't a big fan of their credit cards. They had a couple cards here, credit line up to $40,000. That's cool, but they just really didn't do it for me too much. Guys, look at this and see if this did it for you. I just think that there's better options out there. I mean, why would you apply for a $40,000 limit credit card when you can get a line of credit, right? And there's a lot of better credit cards out there. I mean, there's nothing fancy about these things. 4.99 APR for 6 months, but then it goes to whatever APR it is then. Anyways, guys, that's just going to be my review on Northrop Grumman Federal Credit Union. I love doing these credit union reviews. Maybe we can do all of the credit unions in the country. That would be amazing. Drop your favorite credit union in the comment section. If you have questions about this credit union, drop them in the comment section. Love to get them answered for you. I try to answer things within 24 hours. Join the private Facebook group. Add me on Instagram @Radikal Marketer. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.